you then?
Yes, go for it. Oh, she's up for it. It's fine, it's just a car. Hey! Fruit Loop. Hey. Don't be a tit. Thank you. That would be nice right now.
You sell them at Woodfields, don't you, at Woodstock now?
Do they?
Yeah. I might have to do.
What, a slushie? After our nice healthy breakfast, you want to go and eat a slushie? That's gross.
When that really hits hot.
No, I just want the ice cream.
Don't shame me.
I think she was embarrassed about that. If she was a cat, she would have flicked her tail and squinted her eyes then. No grass. Come on, you've had plenty to eat this morning. We're working. I think my psychotic steed has mellowed out a bit now. Let's see what happens when his feet touch grass in a minute. Hey, stop snacking.
I'm looking forward to this or not? Not, probably.
Well, at least we're out with her, so if he does dump me, he's not going to go anywhere because he won't leave her. I love how much faith I have in my horse that every time I get on him, I'm like, is he going to dump me today?
He's not a fan, is he, really?
He is. He just comes with a risk factor. It's kind of like playing Russian roulette. It's too hot to have a tantrum anyway, isn't it, mate? Far too hot.
Find a way.
Hole. Come on. Hang on a sec then, dude. Oh, wait, our turn. You've got a what? Come on then. Are we shutting it or leaving it? I don't know if whoever's working in here left it open. Should I shut it? Yeah. I don't like leaving stuff open. Oh, maybe. Come on, we're going to have to do some nifty reversing. Back up. Good job. Well done. Yeah, you've earned that snack. I'll let you have that one. Come on then. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Huh? Yeah, okay. Can you remember the way doing it back to front? Yeah, we're going to get lost. We're going to get lost. Come on. I think it suddenly dawned on him that we're not just going for a plod up to the end of the road, and now he's thinking, oh man, I wish I hadn't wasted my energy dicking around before.
Then we've got the counter back up.
We have, yes. It's drying up nicely. Yeah. I bet your one is nice. Come on, up we go. Come on, off-roader. Good job. Oh, look at all that. I want to go play in it. That looks awesome. But it looks so soft and fuzzy. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's like a movie shot, isn't it? It's like something like a Gladiator. No, she came past it a few weeks ago and she didn't care.
That is lush, isn't it?
Imagine when we're living somewhere where that's all we see.
I want to look at my little hut. I don't want to have no garden gate boundary. I want to be like American for me, just straight out on the drop.
Yeah.
I don't get having a little garden thing.
Well, no, we're going to have a small fence around the property, otherwise he'll keep coming in the house.
That's alright.
Well, we're just going to house train him, are we?
Right. Stumpy for it.
True. Stumpy would love it. Do you think Nell and Blue would they go in the house? I don't think she would.
Blue would have it.
Yeah, Blue would sort of walk in and he'd be the one who'd knock all the plates off the counter, wouldn't he? And
4 kilometers, activity time, 40 minutes, 14 seconds.
4 kilometres. Yeah, so last time we did this ride, it came in with the total ride as 6 kilometres. It's like double that. How far did me and Nelly go when we did those 2 hills a couple of weeks ago?
A long, long way.
I bet that was about 20k.
Probably.
I'm going to have to redo it and remeasure it, I think. Oh, it's so lush out here. Whoops-a-daisy. You don't want to eat buttercups, sweetie?
Nice calm, isn't it?
Yeah. Once this is overwintered and there's a bit of dirt coverage on it, this is going to be lovely. I think that's why they gravelled it all. Good job. Another poo? Oh, Nelly. Oh, that's all down her legs. Oh, it's in her tail. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, dear. I think somebody needs reduced grazing. Well done, Woody. No. This way. This way. Does she want to take the shortcut home? I don't know what it is with her. I don't know where she finds it, but she finds it every time. Come on, you're getting distracted. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. That's it. Doing the route this way is apparently very scary. Come on. Good boy. Oh, I'm riding a dinosaur again. Come on, focus. Focus. We're not going that way, so don't worry about it. Good boy. Oh yeah, we got to go on the horrible side of the road doing this way, haven't we? We're on that blind corner. Except when people drive like that. Should we trot it? It's alright, it's only a gentle downhill. I would just rather get off this corner. Good job. Hiya. I just didn't want to get stuck on that corner. Oh wow, look at that as well. What is that, barley? That's wheat. Okay. I know, I can kind of smell her. I can taste her a little bit as well. Oh well, they'll be nice and chilled for the day now. And she's earned her grass.
Distance, 5 kilometers. Activity time,
I didn't hear how far that was.
seconds.
Yeah, but I'm not sure which one of these it goes down. I think it must go down that track. But yeah, if you look at it from the other end, there is a public bridleway sign, so... Oh, it's lovely here, isn't it? Well, everything would have been once upon a time, and then people keep building stuff on it. Oh, I have serious polytunnel envy. Just think of all the food we could grow in that. And it wouldn't matter if we end up having a horrendous storm in May, because it would all be protected. Are you getting tired, Woody? Come on. Come on. Come on. He's hanging, bless him. Come on. Come on. We've got quite a long way to go as well, actually, haven't we? Is this stump scary? Maybe she doesn't appreciate tree murder. Maybe she's like a hardcore hippie tree hugger. Come on. Good job, well done. Are you thinking about going for a wee-wee? Is that what you were doing then? Here we come. Come on, let's do the gate again. You aced the last one, didn't you? You gonna give it a push? Good job. I'll give it a push for you. There we go. Well done. Oh, good job. That was a bit enthusiastic, wasn't it? Good man. You've got a twig. Can I have that, please? Can I have that, please? What's that? Can't take that with you. Come on. Shh. Come on, focus. We're turning, not eating. I thought that was having a wee-wee then.
No, he's not peeking.
Okay, right, we're fine then. It was the ground squelching, I think. Go on. Good boy! Sensibly. Boggy bit. Good boy! Up! Up! Sensibly. Good. Good job. Well done, Woody. Should be in a tit. Hey, hey, don't you start, you pillock. Good job, mate. Good boy. And we come. Oh, listen to those happy birds. I'm sorry, Mr. Blackbird, did I offend you? Good job. Come on now. Good job. Oh, someone's very tired.